Hello everyone. In my last video, you have studied about the sentence definition, examples of sentences, and the part of sentences. In part of the sentences, you have studied about one part, means subject you have understood. So in this video, you have to understand about the predicate and kinds of sentences. So go forward the predicate. First number you have studied in my last video, and second number part is your sentence predicate. So what's your predicate Hindi meaning is vidheya, and predicate definition is the part of a sentence which has the verb and which tells us what the subject is or does. Means जो आपका सब्जेक्ट जो भी वर्क करता है, जो भी वर्क सब्जेक्ट करता है उसको प्रेडिकेट बोलते हैं. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेडिकेट. बाय एग्जाम्पल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दे आर गोइंग टू लखनऊ. इफ़ आई एम सेइंग दे आर गोइंग टू लखनऊ, दैट मीन्स दे इज़ योर सब्जेक्ट. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? उनके बारे में. दे आर गोइंग टू लखनऊ, वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं? लखनऊ जा रहे हैं. लखनऊ जा रहे हैं तो किन के बारे में बात हो रही है? उनके बारे में बात हो रही है. तो दे आपका सब्जेक्ट हो गया, एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट आपका जो है आर गोइंग टू लखनऊ, ये आपका प्रेडिकेट है. मीन्स सब्जेक्ट को छोड़कर जो भी वर्क हो रहा है, सब्जेक्ट जो भी वर्क कर रहा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेडिकेट बोलेंगे. ओके, नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द प्रेडिकेट. नेक्स्ट नंबर आपका नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ योर्स काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. Kinds of sentences means how many kinds of sentences? Simply, sentences are 4 kinds. First one is declarative sentences and assertive sentences. Declarative or assertive sentences both are same. Second number is interrogative sentences. Third is yours imperative sentences. And fourth is your exclamatory sentences. Your declarative sentences or assertive sentences both are same, as I told you. So what are declarative sentences? The sentences which declare, asserts a statement, feeling, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive sentences. Means I want to tell you that what are declarative sentences? Declarative sentences, those sentences which expresses फीलिंग्स, विच एक्सप्रेसेस स्टेटमेंट, इंसिडेंट. मीन्स जो सेंटेंस हमें स्टेटमेंट बताए, किसी के बारे में बताए, किसी की फीलिंग्स के बारे में बताए, किसी इंसिडेंट के बारे में बताए, या किसी इवेंट के बारे में बताए, या फिर किसी हिस्ट्री के बारे में कोई स्टेटमेंट दी जाए, वो आपके क्या होते हैं? डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस या फिर असर्टिव सेंटेंस होते हैं. जैसे कि आप एग्ज़ाम्पल यू कैन टेक एग्ज़ाम्पल, Seema is writing a letter, and second example you can take, Rohan is playing hockey in the park. So in both sentences we are taking information about persons, we are taking information. That means it is these are your declarative sentences. That means it is your declarative sentences. And next part we have to understand. Next part is yours interrogative sentences. So what are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences means those sentences when we ask question to someone, those sentences we can call interrogative sentences. For example, we can take, what are you doing? Did you complete your work? Means interrogative sentences are 2 kinds sentences. First one started with helping verb and second one started with question word. Both are interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences means when we ask question to someone, जब हम किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन पुट अप करते हैं, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ योर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं आपके प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. आपका हिंदी में ये आएगा प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य। तो जब हम किसी से प्रश्न करते हैं, क्वेश्चन करते हैं, तो दो तरह से क्वेश्चन करते हैं। एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं जब आप क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हो, और दूसरा क्वेश्चन तब करते हैं जब आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हो। बोथ आर योर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बट some are differences. So I think have you understood about the interrogative sentences? Next one is your imperative sentences. What are your imperative sentences? When we give advice, order, suggestion, request and command to someone, that is called imperative sentences. That is called imperative sentences. For example, we can take complete these by tomorrow, clean your room. In first sentences, complete these by tomorrow, that is your order, and second number is your clean your room, that is also your order. So in both sentences we are giving order to someone, that's why these are your imperative sentences. So in imperative sentences we have to give order, suggestion, request and command to someone. किसी को अगर ऑर्डर देते हैं, सजेशन देते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं या फिर कोई आदेश देते हैं, तो वो आपका imperative sentences होता है. Imperative sentence, I think have you understood about the imperative sentences? Next is your exclamatory sentence. Next is your exclamatory sentence. Which sentences expresses strong feelings? जो sentences आपको एक strong feeling दे in the form of an exclamation. Exclamation के form में एक strong feeling हो तो उसे हम exclamatory sentences बोलते हैं. Exclamatory sentences बोलते हैं, that is called exclamatory sentences. For example, we can take how beautiful this city is. Second example you can take, why don't you listen to my words. That means these are your exclamatory sentences. These are your exclamatory sentences. And in first sentences, how beautiful city is. In exclamatory sentences, exclamation mark is so necessary. So I think have you understood about all kinds of sentences and sentence part and sentence definition.